how to set up any controller on Steam for any game. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up any controller on Steam for any game. First, go to the Steam app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. After that, click on the screen icon on your top right corner to enter the big picture mode. Once you're in, click on Menu from the bottom left corner. Then go to Settings. Click on Controller. Here you can set the external gamepad settings. Select the options as per your preferences. From here, you can set the gamepad shutdown time. After that, click on Edit right next to Desktop Layout. Click on Next from your bottom right corner to go next. Once you're done, click on Back. Now click on Edit right next to Guide button Chord Layout. Click on Back. Once you're done, click on Menu on your bottom left. Now let's try another way. Click on Power. Select Exit Big Picture Mode. Here click on Library. Now right click on any game and go to Properties. Click on Controller. Here you can set up controller settings for this game. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.